Hey guys, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you back to my YouTube channel Balu Trader. Today we will continue trading binary options with the help of the best trading robot, where the success rate of each trade is 90% and above. This robot is the best robot for trading based on signals. It generates signals whenever you want. I will leave a link to this robot in the description below this video. This robot is completely free. But before we start, let's prepare for our trading. We have already pre-selected the currency pairs. The trade duration will be 1 minute. The trade amount will be $1,000. The payout percentage for the trade is 92%. If the trade closes in profit, we will earn a profit of $920. And let's go ahead and start. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. We selected in our trading robot. We choose the signal times. I recommend selecting at least 3 different time frames. Receive the signal. We see that there is a sell, a neutral value, and a buy. What does this mean? What about different expiration times? Different situation. Therefore, we will not trade on this currency pair because it would be risky. We will move to the Euro Australian dollar pair. Select Euro Australian dollar. On our trading robot, time frames of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Start the analysis. The situation is absolutely similar. This can also lead to quite a significant risk. Therefore, I suggest switching to a less volatile pair. British pound, Australian dollar. Time frames of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Start the analysis. It's all the same, guys. This shows that the market is in quite a difficult situation. This means there is a news background, but we know there will be an increase. The robot says there will be an increase. We open a trade for an increase. That is, within a minute or more, we expect the price to rise. The price is currently trading in the oversold zone, and we expect further upward price movement because our buyers are actively working in the market, buying at a good price. Directly our currency pair, and we expect, of course, a good dynamic price increase upwards. So while our trade is in progress, let's talk about my trading robot. I'm not advertising it and nothing more. I just want you to have a very cool tool that will allow you to make money in trading rather than just constantly incurring losses. You need to understand that trading is always a risk, but with this robot you will be getting always only profit. This robot is designed for you to make a profit and never ever, I repeat, lose your funds. And as you can see, even against the backdrop of high volatility and news background, our trade closed in profit. We earned $880 in 1 minute. Well, objectively speaking, we spent about 1.5 minutes. We selected a currency pair within 30 seconds and received a signal. And it took 1 minute to execute the trade. That's it. Nothing more. We made a profit. Now let's return to our currency pair, Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Let's see what our trading robot tells us now, where the price will go. We chose a time frame of 5 minutes, 15 minutes. We start the robot analysis. We see that the situation here in principle does not change. It still shows that there will be a sale at the 5 minute expiration time. We see that it is neutral, which means it's better not to trade. But that's why we will start the analysis for a decline. We open a trade for a decline and wait for the result. The robot says that the expiration time is 1 minute. 26 factors that it analyzed for the currency pair Australian dollar and Swedish franc indicate that there will be a price decline. We fully trust it, and we are confident that there will indeed be a price decline. And before the trade closes, I'm sure of the profit. I'll tell you a bit about the correct usage. Always choose at least 3 time frames for market analysis. With the robot, that is, if you want to. Open a trade with an interval from 1 minute to 20 minutes. You should always choose 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. By the way, which is quite important as a rule, the best option is for all 3 expiration times to coincide with the further price movement. You need all 3 times, but T to be decreased. decrease, decrease. Then the probability of the signal passing will be 99%. Unless some emergency news occurs in the market and everything simply changes in the opposite direction. So always conduct analysis. And I'm sure you will make a lot of money using this robot. This robot is free. The link to it is in the description below this video. The trade closed in profit. Our second trade closed with a profit. Congratulations to all of you. In literally 3 minutes we have already earned a substantial amount of money. But we won't stop there. I will show you another trade through which you will see that the trading robot does not make mistakes. It doesn't have moments for errors. Euro, Australian dollar, let's find it with the trading robot. Euro, Australian dollar 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. We start the analysis. We see that buying is neutral to selling. We trust the robot and open a buy trade for 1 minute. And now, within 1 minute, we will understand where the price will go next. And while our trade is in progress, let's talk about why. I decided to create this robot. I created this robot so that as many users as possible could earn money in this field. It is an extremely important tool, thanks to which anyone, even without experience, can make a profit in binary options. I am extremely happy that after 3 years I managed to implement this robot. I invested a lot of money, a lot of effort, and a lot of dedication into it. I hope that this robot will bring you a lot of money and a lot of pleasure, because today money, wati bli, practically decides everything we want in our world. At the very least, I know that with this robot you will meet any of your needs. As you can see, in the end, it was quite difficult. The price suddenly traded downwards. And let's see why this happened. And once again, let's run the analysis of our trading robot. So Euro, Australian dollar. 1 minute, 5 minutes, let's start the analysis. The buy is neutral, still the same. Let's go. I trust the robot and we will make a trade amount of $2,500. You see, the purchase just happened sharply upwards, impulsively. That is, our entry point should have been here, but the price suddenly flew down. That doesn't stop me. I am confident that the price will still go up, because the robot no longer has the right to make a mistake. We made 2 trades with you. The third trade, unfortunately, it closed at a loss for us. But this loss was not related to the robot's analytics. Firstly, the entry point played a role, and secondly, don't forget that this candle caused the price drop. It affected the market, possibly due to a microeconomic news release, or sellers injected a small amount of money, and because of this, the price dropped slightly below our point. That's why there was a loss. But now, since the robot indicates that there will be another purchase and the price will rise, it means it will rise. And with an increased transaction amount, we simply cover our loss over 3 trades. It's quite simple, with only 1 trade left until completion. And, as you can see, the trade closed in profit. We earned $2,300 on this trade. In the previous trade, we lost $1,000. So, we see that the total profit for this currency pair with this robot amounted to $1,300 in 1 minute. A wonderful result, wonderful emotions. I earned a substantial capital. On this note, I suggest we stop. I wish you to use this robot, earn big money with this robot, so I'll leave a link to it in the description under this video. This robot is completely free. Take it for yourself before I close access to it. I wish you a great day and good profits. Goodbye, everyone.